Hey everyone, welcome to
And try not to laugh. I've been thinking about this for a while. Alright. That's gonna be impossible. Ready? I should have you just stare at the camera for a while, then I'll do it later.
Hey everyone, welcome to Arrow TV. This is Brian O'Neill. You can call me Bo Neal. Fun fact about Brian O'Neill: I went to ventriloquist school. I have a bachelor's in ventriloquism. If I was a cookie,